So, very warm welcome to one and all present over here. Today we are going to have second session based on quadrilaterals. Okay, we are having the second session based on quadrilaterals. Now, starting with the family of quadrilaterals. Quadrilateral consists of parallelogram. Parallelogram is of two types, rectangle and rhombus, and they are further classified into square. Trapezium is known as trapezoid. It can be of two types, isosceles trapezoid is further, and quadrilateral can be of another types. See, basically quadrilateral can be of three types: parallelogram, trapezium, and kite. Parallelogram is further divided into rectangle and rhombus, and it is further classified into square. Trapezium is classified into isosceles trapezium, and kite is different thing. Okay. Now, what are the properties of parallelogram? It is a closed figure. A quadrilateral means having four sides. Opposite sides are equal and parallel. Opposite angles are equal. Angle B equals to angle D. Angle C equals to angle A. Diagonals bisect each other. Diagonals bisect each other. These are the properties of parallelogram. Naming can be done as ABCD or ADCB. A quadrilateral, now theorems. What are the theorems that we're going to study? A quadrilateral is a parallelogram if diagonals bisect each other, opposite sides are equal and parallel to each other. Condition number 1 and 2: diagonals bisect each other and opposite sides are equal and parallel to each other. Condition number 3: opposite angles are equal, adjacent angles are supplementary. These are the five conditions for a quadrilateral to be a parallelogram. What is condition number 1? Diagonal bisect each other. Yes or no? Condition number 1: diagonal bisect each other, opposite sides are equal and parallel, opposite angles are equal, adjacent angles are supplementary. Adjacent angles are supplementary. So these are the four conditions that needs to be satisfied for a quadrilateral to be a parallelogram. Now, what we have covered till now: properties of parallelogram and converse of the properties we have covered. ठीक है, क्या कवर किया फिर से देखो. पैरेललोग्राम की प्रॉपर्टीज और क्वाड्रिलेटरल कन्वर्स. ठीक है, कन्वर्स ए क्वाड्रिलेटरल पैरेललोग्राम कब होगा? व्हेन दिस फोर कंडीशंस आर गोइंग टू बी सेटिस्फाइड. Now, what we're going to study? Application of properties of parallelogram. What we're going to study? Application of properties of parallelogram. Three unknown angles we have to find out. Angle B is 99. Opposite angles are equal. Angle D is also 99. Adjacent angle sum is supplementary. So, supplementary means angle A plus angle B is 180 degree. Yes or no? 180 minus 99. Therefore, angle A is 81. Angle A is 81. If angle A is 81, opposite angles are equal. Angle C is also 81. It is clear to you? Okay, opposite angles are equal and sum of any two adjacent angle is 180 degree. Okay, same thing है, वही चीज करी है इसने भी. Find the length of sides of parallelogram. Opposite sides are of equal length. So 10y minus 8 is equals to 5y plus 12. 10y minus 5y, 5y, 12 plus 8 is equals to 20. The value of y is 4. Now, similarly, 5x minus 10 is equals to 3x plus 20. 5x minus 3x, 2x, 20 plus 10, 30. The value of x is 15. So length of the sides, यहाँ पे put करो x की value और y की value. We're going to get the sides of, ठीक है, x और y की value आई 15 and 4. These are the values of sides ABCD by putting the value of x and y over here. Okay, clear है बेटा? x is 16, y is 4. x is 15, y is 4. ठीक है. Before starting assignment number 1, let's see other properties also. Identify the quadrilateral in the bridge. Have you seen? It is a parallelogram. ठीक है, practical example of quadrilateral. Properties, once again repetition, opposite sides are parallel and equal, opposite angles are equal, adjacent angle sum is 180-degree, diagonal bisect each other. Diagonal bisect each other means this equal to this and this equal to this. Okay, these are the properties of parallelogram. Parallelogram is further classified into rectangle, square, and rhombus. Okay, parallelogram is further classified into square, rectangle, and rhombus. Properties of each of the following: all sides are equal in a square and rhombus, opposite sides are parallel and equal in all of this, all angles are equal in rectangle and square, opposite angles are equal in all of this, diagonals are equal in rectangle and square, diagonals are perpendicular in square and rhombus, diagonal bisect each other in all of this, and adjacent angles are supplementary in all of this. These are the important property of parallelogram, rectangle, square, and rhombus. Clear? Now, properties of parallelogram and square. Once again, properties of parallelogram: opposite sides are parallel and equal, opposite angles are equal. ठीक है, opposite angles are equal. ये वाला एंगल इसके बराबर. एडजेसेंट एंगल सम इज 180 डिग्री, मीन्स इन दोनों का सम 180, इन दोनों का सम 180, इन दोनों का सम 180, इन दोनों का सम 180. एडजेसेंट मीन्स ऑन द सेम साइड. Diagonal bisect each other. Properties of a square. First number, all properties of parallelogram. All properties of parallelogram. All angles are measure up to 90 degree. All angles are equal and measure 90 degree. All sides are equal. Diagonals are equal and bisect each other at right angle. These are the properties of a square. These are the properties of a square. Clear? These are the properties of a square. Now talking about the properties of rectangle and rhombus. Properties of rectangle, all the properties of parallelogram, all angles are equal and equal to 90 degree, diagonals are equal and bisect each other. Properties of rhombus, all properties of parallelogram, diagonal bisect at right angles but they are not equal, यहाँ पे equal भी है, and all sides of rhombus are equal. Okay, and what is the summary of this properties? This is the summary. Okay, in short, summary of the properties that we have seen. ठीक है. Practice question we're going to start, don't worry, after this, based on the properties. Okay, so we have done today the properties of rectangle, square, rhombus, and parallelogram, and we have seen the properties in converse. Okay, yeah.